Not very many organizations have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging community. Welcome to the decentralized money new symbol of Bitcoin, Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges, wiping out the intricacies associated with the decentralized environment. Before we dive into the Bitcoin SV cost forecast, let us view a portion of the special highlights of Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV, displaying an unrivaled presentation. Bitcoin Money is the second biggest fork of the Bitcoin organization, and from that point forward, there was one more fork in November 2018, Bitcoin SV. It was made to re-establish the first Satoshi convention, keep it stable, and scale hugely. As a credulous contestant in 2018, not very many individuals knew about Bitcoin SV and were a little uncertain in exchanging BSV. The huge benefit is that you can execute rates as the organization extends, adding to a sensational expansion in the quantity of diggers, upheld by a vigorous and high transmission capacity public blockchain stage. Bitcoin SV has tended to the openness issues, setting up a half-and-half agreement system. A special element is that it can trap deceitful or fake exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block is fit for following the previous block. Bitcoin SV depends on cryptographic strategies that are dependent on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. A remarkable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This recognizable characteristic makes it interesting contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. The increases from the Bitcoin establishment likewise present to BSV the local area benefit. Through this channel of establishment, the stage gets generous commitments and a flourishing number of individuals. The Bitcoin SV designers additionally have progressed highlights like conceptualizing thoughts on this stage that advance dynamic conversation on BSV. When supported, the designer group tests out the thought and redirects it to raising assets for the local area. The stage likewise includes workgroups made by individuals sharing their encounters and assisting you with understanding the functionalities better. BSV as a token has been making dynamic developments in the digital money market. Recorded on most of trades, the symbolic shows a market capitalization of $849,251,566.84 and is at present having a volume flow of $46,641,514.92 on the lookout. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of the token has weighted around $44. The specialists have differed suppositions in regards to the BSV cost expectation for what's to come. In view of the BSV cost forecast, a drawn-out rectification is normal. The cost guess for 1 year is around $3.90. In the start of 2023, the BSV cost may be exchanging around $25.46. Greatest cost $28.87. Least cost $25.09. The normal for 2023 will be around $26.60. Bitcoin SV cost figure toward the finish of 2023 will be around $26.98. There is a decent opportunity that Bitcoin SV 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal most extreme $200.99 level. Bitcoin SV is anticipated to arrive at an unequaled high of $196.24 or $200.99 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of Bitcoin SV. During the last year, BSV coin was enlisting moderate force, despite the fact that there was a slight recuperation from February 2022, yet from that point onward, the coin has enlisted a sharp fall, and after May 2022, the cost of Bitcoin SV was exchanged decently. Presently, the cost of Bitcoin SV is exchanging over the $40 mark, which is a decent sign, yet the cost is as yet exchanging underneath $46. As indicated by the current situation, it is anticipated that BSV will show moderate recuperation before the current year's over, contrasted with other digital currencies. Actually, take a look at here are other long-haul digital currency forecasts. BSV coin value expectation 2023. The year's end 2023 could offer a buy to all negative and skeptical cost patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for BSV. It could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments brimming with hopefulness. The valued resource would ascend to a future cost of any place between the scope of $40 to $60 according to our Bitcoin SV estimate. Bitcoin SV value figure 2024. In the realm of cryptographic forms of money like BSV, there could be a conjecture of marvels, and there could be enchantment in the present moment as well. According to specialists, Bitcoin SV expectations, 2024 may mean a blast time for Bitcoin SV. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul instead of the present moment. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation that the BSV digital money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle cost of $90. Bitcoin SV value forecast 2025 with a touch of tolerance in keeping the expectations high in the long haul. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2025. As the reception of BSV would develop dramatically, by when Bitcoin SV might be a carefully prepared player. As indicated by our BSV cost expectation 2025, the coin could arrive at above $110 with least and most extreme value levels of $105 and $118 separately. The SV expectation 2026 in light of the BSV cost conjecture. The Bitcoin SV coin could change the pattern from the very start towards the year's end. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions in this year 2026. New organizations would bring Bitcoin SV to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded digital money cost fixed at $129. Bitcoin SV expectations 2027 according to the BSV cost estimate 2027. The cost of Bitcoin SV is anticipated to cross $150. Before the year's over, Bitcoin SV is supposed to arrive at any rate charge of $146, and the BSV coin holds potential to cross a greatest degree of $156. In the interim, Bitcoin SV cost is supposed to arrive at least degree of $158 this year. The greatest cost might reach $168. The SV coin value forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The cost of Bitcoin SV could reach $180 according to the BSV expectation. During the year, the BSV cost could cross the most extreme degree of $195 before the year's over, while the base cost level around $179. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2030 of every 2030. Bitcoin SV is supposed to exchange around the $200 during the year, as indicated by BSV cost forecast 2030. Toward the finish of 2030, Bitcoin SV's base cost is supposed to be around $198. Furthermore, BSV can arrive at a most extreme value level of $218. Toward the finish of 2030, Bitcoin SV will have a typical cost of $216. Is BSV crypto a wise speculation? Bitcoin SV can be a productive speculation choice. The cost rises to $44 right now. However, financial backers should take care of any outstanding concerns prior to collecting the exchange's monetary prizes. The cost expectation for Bitcoin SV is that it would get $90 over the course of the following year. Continue to follow the cost conjecture in the news and the typical day and outline for most extreme editions where might I at any point exchange and purchase BSV. At this moment, you can purchase Bitcoin at a lot of digital money trades, including Binance. When you have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange BSV, you should move your cash to that particular trade. This is done by means of a wallet framework. For what reason is the cost of Bitcoin